What's going on, guys? George here, welcome to my new YouTube video. In today's video I'm going to share one huge tip for ending your videos. When I discovered this tip, I was blown away because it's super simple but so powerful. The way you end your videos is really important. It can either make or break the whole watching experience. Oftentimes our edits don't last as long as the songs we are using, so the most common thing to do in that scenario is to shorten the song to desired length, fade out the song and fade out the video to black. This is what I call lazy approach. It's perfectly fine, you can do it in some occasions, but today I'm going to show you a much better way to finish your videos. The secret for getting better endings in your videos is to manipulate the track so it ends when the video ends. Using this trick will make your videos stand out, look more professional and be better overall. Now I'm going to show you two sequences. First, lazy one, and second, non-lazy one. Here we are in Final Cut Pro 10. For this tutorial you can use any software you like. I prefer using Final Cut Pro, but you can use Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve or anything you wish. The process is the same through all softwares. Here we have our edit. And here we have our track. As you can see, the track is much longer than our edit. So if you want to do the lazy approach, which I don't recommend, you just need to trim the track to match the length of your edit. That's the lazy approach. We don't want the lazy approach. I'm going to move the track as it was. The basic idea behind this concept is to trim the end of the track and drag it to the beginning and find the place where it works the best. First time it may be tricky for you, but trust me, it isn't at all. Go to the end of the song, around 10 seconds. Every song is different, so you will need to experiment a little bit. Now I'm going to the beginning of the song and I will find the place where this part works well. I will cut it right there and I will delete this, drag this right around here and delete the storyline. You'll maybe have to do just a little bit of adjustments. The best advice I can give you for this is to listen for the music and try to figure out the best place to match two parts. One more advice, you want smooth transition from beginning to end. So the best way to make that smooth transition is to drag this a little bit here and this bottom track a little bit here and make them fade in and fade out. That will give your track more smoothness. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.